My name is Brenda Bergerine, and I'm a photographer and filmmaker based in Colorado. Today we're talking about the Shimoda Action backpack and their newest version that they just came out with, version 2. Specifically, they came out with a women's version of their latest bag. I'm super excited about this bag and to share all of the attention to detail, the upgrades from the previous version of the bag, as well as the details and thought they put into some of the women's features of the bag. One of my favorite things, obviously, is this beautiful color. It's natural enough to look good in nature, but it's beautiful as well. That's one of the things that I always look for in my bags, is that balance of form and function. And so this bag is beautiful, and it also is really durable, really functional, as you'll see with all of the features that we have. One of the first things to know with Shimoda bags that we've always loved is this back panel where access point. You set your bag down in the snow or the rock or the mud or whatever, you access your gear, and then when you go to put your bag back on, the portion of the backpack that isn't in the dirt goes against your back, and the dirty portion, is there. So that's one of the things that I've always loved about this. There's, on the inside, there's a nice laptop sleeve for your laptop, and then that packing cube where you can arrange your camera gear however you like to arrange your camera gear. Another great thing is they've got these two handles, top and bottom. So you're here, you're looking at your gear, you need to move your bag into another spot. Rather than pick it up and dump all your gear out, you can pick it up and move it to wherever it needs to go. In addition to those two handles that are really useful, there's also the luggage handle. So we travel a lot, and if you're a traveling photographer, you know that you should have your camera gear be your carry-on. So this bag is a nice carry-on size with that luggage handle, so you can slide it on top of your roller bag, which is really useful because sometimes your bag is really heavy, full of camera gear. So if you can get it off your shoulders for a little bit onto that roller bag, it can be really nice. They've got the strap adjustments, small, medium, and large, depending on your strap. The waist belt is also extra adjustable with this new clip that allows you to make it smaller if you have a super small waist. So it's already adjustable with the straps, but then now it's extra adjustable. The harness is designed specifically for women. We've got lots of great mesh padding here that's like air. I was out on a shoot yesterday and had a lot of heavy stuff in the pack, and it felt really good on the shoulders with this nice padding, which is really important to some of us with bony shoulders that don't really want to carry all that weight there. That padding is crucial. They also have two straps that come across the chest, one above and one below, rather than that super inconvenient, awkward spot that does not always fit on female bodies. So that's really thoughtful design. And I know that they've been working on making nice shoulder straps for women. And so I really appreciate that. On the shoulder strap is a zipper pocket where you can put your cell phone, nice big pocket, keys, whatever you want to have quick access to. It's just right there on the bag. On the other side, we've also got another laptop sleeve, so you can access it from this point. And this is a nice padded spot. I think on the previous bag it wasn't padded, so that's a really nice upgrade from the previous bag. And then another one of my favorite parts is that this is like this roll top expandable section. So sometimes you need to be able to throw extra jackets, extra gloves, somebody's extra shoes, whatever it is, in the bag. So that expando section really makes it possible to do a big shoot and get everything into one bag. Because if you're like us, we're always trying to get as much gear as you can, but have it be as lightweight as possible so that you can do what you need to do without your gear impeding it. So this bag really makes it possible for us to expand or contract depending on the size of the shoe. So we've also got, loops for if you got to carry your ice axes. We've got these straps to strap on anything else that you need to. We've got side access where you can, depending on how you set up your cube here, you can access your camera from the side. And then we also have this other side panel that has, your water bottle pouch that comes out. We use this a lot for a light stand or a tripod or a water bottle. And another upgrade from the previous version of the bag is these are sewn on, but these you can detach them, with the little clip, which is really great in case you need to have a lens pouch or a water bottle somewhere else while you're hiking. Maybe you need to put it on the front of you so that you can have access to it, or maybe you want to put the pack down and kind of just carry an extra lens while you're working around once you get to the destination of the shoot. So there's a lot of cool ways that you could use that detail that they worked in here to this bag, which is really, really nice. Shows that attention to detail of the Shimoda bags. You can see that it's super rugged, super durable. This waterproof. I already talked about how I like set this down in the snow and the mud without even worrying about it. And so I don't have to worry about my gear being protected, padded, safe from the elements, and meanwhile, a little extra comfort here in these straps. There's other features as well. There's a rain cover. So if you unzip, you can take a rain cover out. If you need, even more waterproof, you can access that. There's the air tag. In this pocket, you can put your little air tag in there so that if you were to misplace your bag, you can locate it. This bag comes in a variety of sizes, 25, 30, 40. So depending on your needs, you can kind of scale up or scale down. This is the largest version, and it holds a lot of stuff, especially with all of, the extra accessories that you have. I've already taken this pack on a handful of photo shoots, hiking, skiing, and it carries really well. It's really functional. It's really durable. I've been a fan of Shimoda bags for a while, and so this is just like an upgraded version of my favorite bag. If you're looking at other options to compare it to, you can look at the f-stops bags, the low pro bags. So this is the Action series version 2, this version 1. They also have the Explorer series, so that's another one to look at if you need something like not quite so rugged, but still pretty rugged. For that $350 price point, this bag really packs a lot of punch for what you're getting. Shimoda makes really high quality, thoughtful bags for adventure photographers, even to the point where they're incorporating specific things for women. It's hard to say much I don't like about this bag, just because I've been a fan of Shimoda for years, and they really they take user feedback, and every new bag is better than the last. If you like the Shimoda bag, they gave us a coupon code that you can use, BERGREEN10, B-E-R green like the color 10. Go to their website. This again is the Shimoda Action women's version. They have a lot of great bags though, depending on your needs. So check it out. Coupon code BERGREEN10 gives you 10% discount, which is a great deal on a great bag. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch some other videos. Mark has one where he compares a lot of different bags and why we end up loving the Shimoda bags based on the features that are really important to us. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you next time.